Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back for a quick video. As of late, my most commonly asked question on my channel or in my DMs, in my email even, is how can I grow my locks longer? I feel like my locks have hit a plateau. And I noticed that this happens a lot when people are a few years in. They can't seem to get their locks past their shoulder blades, or it's usually something like that. And for a really long time, I was just very curious as to why that is. I didn't have answers immediately. I still don't necessarily have answers, but I do have ideas. Because at the end of the day, everyone has their own individual circumstance, so they may be different reasons why each individual has plateaued in their hair growth. And at this point, I'm talking about locks, not loose natural hair, because when it comes to locks, we don't trim our hair regularly, or our hair doesn't break off as easily as somebody with loose natural hair or even straight hair. So the rules are a little different when it comes to, being able to see visible growth, or at least visible length, right? So that's why it's always a little baffling when people with locks experience these stagnations in their hair growth. So I'm making this video as a reminder as to what comes into play when it comes to growing long hair and retaining the length. Of course, your genetics plays a major role. Some people just have amazing hair growth without doing anything consciously. They're God's favorite, right? So outside of genetics, what is it that you can do to create more hair growth and more length retention? Consider the health of your scalp. That is the source of your hair growth at the end of the day. When it comes to hair growth, your scalp needs blood circulation. How is your blood circulating? If you already know that you have an issue with blood circulation, then it's highly likely that it's related to your lack of hair growth. There are many things you can do to improve the circulation of the blood flow to your scalp, and that includes massage, staying active, inverting your diet, and even getting rid of certain lifestyle choices like smoking, which does hinder blood flow in your body. So that's a small thing that's actually a big thing that people tend to overlook when it comes to hair growth. Oftentimes they just think about the products. What products? It's not always about the products. It is often, but it's not always about the products. When it comes to hair growth, you want to look at it in a holistic manner. So in this video, I just scratched the surface. In my ebook, my free ebook, I dig a little bit deeper and I give you my recommendations as far as lifestyle changes, dietary changes I want you to make, inclusions of certain minerals and other nutrients I want you to take in, maintenance recommendations. I have a lot of information in my free ebook on hair growth and length retention. So definitely check that out. I have a link down below for you to get access to it for free. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment below. If you're watching this video a little late, then you may need to email me, because I don't like to check back my old videos for comments because I get really overwhelmed, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to email me as well, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.